Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment, where we serve you hot gist happening in and around Nigeria. On today's episode, we have BBNaija Alex calls out a certain man who idolizes his wife on social media but secretly cheats on her. Big Brother Naija 2018 housemate Alex has cursed out a certain married man who talks about how much he loves his wife on social media but secretly cheats on her. Describing the situation as highly disappointing, the reality show star revealed how she caught the man receiving lap dance and kisses from a small girl, and on sighting her, he started acting like he didn't know the girl. Alex, who insisted that people shouldn't go into serious relationships if they are not ready, added that there is a special punishment for people who get into romantic relationships with married men and women. Guys, do you think Alex is overstepping her boundaries or not minding her business? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.